Hi, it's Amy here. I'm going to be talking about the 5-day reset because I know many of you were asking me about it, and I thought it's just much easier just to do a little video demonstration about what you can expect when you get a reset kit and how it works. But first I thought I'd just share a little bit of a personal story with you. So I did a 5-day reset about 10 years ago. I remember it clearly. It was after Memorial Day weekend and I was just feeling so, just almost that sugar blues and heavy and just didn't feel good. And I was motivated. I wanted to make a change. So I did the 5-day reset. I dropped about almost 5 pounds, I think, in that week. Started to feel way better. I didn't even know. You don't even know what you don't know, right? I didn't know what it felt like to have my blood sugar in normal range. After that, I continued to eat clean. I continued to have some of the shakes for breakfast because I turned out I just love them. I still drink them to this day, 10 years later. However, I ended up dropping like 2 pant sizes just by keeping my blood sugar in the normal range and having the, just losing my addiction to it. Things didn't even look good anymore. I'd see a cookie or a cupcake or something and I'd just be like, ugh, doesn't even appeal to me. Because I don't have a lot of willpower and I don't like to count calories, I don't like to count points. And so that's what I like about this reset. So since that time, I have assisted hundreds of people to do the reset and get off their own sugar addiction and start on their lifestyle towards health, which I love. Now, what this is about, so you get a kit that looks like this in the mail, and it's nice because you don't have to think about it. So it's just for 5 days, we're gonna keep our blood sugar in normal range. No roller coaster of what a typical day looks like in the American diet. Did you know that most Americans have like 77 grams of sugar a day when we should probably be having closer to 30 grams of sugar a day? So we are inundating ourselves with way too much sugar, which is leading to a whole host of problems of inflammation in our body. So what's nice about this, okay, so you get the reset kit, you'll get a little welcome pack, it'll talk to you about what's inside the kit, some healthy snack ideas. You get a little, if you're a person who likes to check things off, I did this throughout the day. You can do your little, put this in the refrigerator to keep you motivated. But what you get is you get 15 meal replacement shakes that are protein, they are gluten-free. This Nutrimeal-free is actually dairy-free as well, and plant-based protein, but then we also have 2 other varieties that have dairy in them, but they are all gluten-free, some chocolate and vanilla ones that I love personally. So you get 15 supply of that for your meal replacement shakes. Now, you're not drinking 5 days of just like shakes all the time. You're like, oh, I'm not a shake person. I get that, but what I like about this is that you can have as many vegetables as you want. So I'm big on having like a nice salad, and the shake's kind of almost like can be like a dessert, or roasted vegetables, or make a big thing of vegetable soup for the week. So you're still getting that crunch factor that's important, but you're also getting some good macrobiotic food for your cells and your digestive tract. So this is good. Then you're gonna get packets of vitamins. Now these are incredibly powerful, high potent vitamins, which I love because our cells are starving sometimes for good nutrients. This particular package, you take them in the morning and the evening, has mega antioxidants, it's got chelated minerals, it's got a nice calcium pill, it's got magnesium, vitamin D in it, and then a high boosting antioxidant as well. But what is so cool about these micronutrients is that they talk to our cells. It's called intelligence. They patent this so that it literally talks to our cells to create more antioxidants from the inside out. So it's when you do that, you're going to get way more of that protection that we need. So brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, then you're also going to get 5 packets of probiotics, and this is really good for gut health. We need good bacteria in our gut, and unfortunately, our ratio of good bacteria to bad bacteria is kind of flip-flopped because bad bacteria love sugar. The more sugar it gets an overgrowth of it. So we want to get it back into balance, and part of that is by getting some good probiotics. So what's nice about these is that they are patented so they actually go all the way down into your intestines where they can start to colonize and build upon themselves. Many probiotics that you get on the market can get eaten up within the enzymes of your stomach, and they never make it where they need to go. So I love these because they know it's going to go where it needs to go, and you can start to build that good bacteria. And that's what you want for good gut health. Because as we know, all health starts in the gut, and a lot of diseases start in the gut. So we really need to clean up what we eat, keep our blood sugar in range, and with 5 days, what's nice about this is in 5 days you will cut your sugar addiction. Now I know you might not think that's possible, but I have seen it happen over and over again. And people feel better, and then you can get on, you just want to start eating really healthy. It's just natural. You've got that jump start of like, oh my gosh, I start to feel better. My bloating's gone, my stomach feels flatter, I'm more empowered. I no longer feel like, I'm just reaching for things that aren't healthy because I know my cells are getting what they need on a nutritional basis, nutriented in that way. You're not as hungry when you're actually giving your cells what they need. So this is a great jump start to healthy lifestyle eating. When you purchase one of these from me, you're going to get free support on emails. You'll get some free coaching about it. So I don't charge for any of that. You're just really getting it wholesale price. So if you're interested, get back to me and I'd be happy to talk to you about it.